Hey, Steve.
Adam, good to see you again.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, Robert.
Ahoy!
Hey, Ronnie.
Buongiorno, pioneers.
See some really big machines today.
Can I take a look?
Yeah, absolutely. All right, so what do you think? He's got a future in grinding?
How would you clean the panel?
Burns and Mac interns, primarily.
That's what I thought.
Come with me along a manufacturing technology road trip. Let's go see some original metal.
Hola, Trailblazers! They haven't canceled me yet. Welcome to season 2.
My first time at an additive facility. That was really cool.
This camera? That sounds like a problem. We'd be really interested to hear how you fixed it. Well, there's only so much I can do with this script. Thanks for taking the time to connect with tech. We'll see you next time.
You got my back, I got your back.
Be committed. Be committed to do what you say you're going to do.
You just have to keep pushing forward.
I've been at it for 52 years, and the fact that it might be time to say, hey, that was pretty good, is fulfilling.
We're ready to roll, boys. Some of the conversations we've ever been having are going to be great.
So I think we need to work all across the board. We need to have a very coordinated effort and help all of these companies work together to develop out the cybersecurity practices.
This is a dream project because we have everybody contributing. Our biggest successes were really a culmination of a bunch of small failures, if you may.
It's a way for them to understand the quality of the product that they're getting, and is it going to perform in their process in a way that they can predict and expect quality results.